what's happening there, Leslie the Ladybug?
Mr. Ritz is planting seeds.
And Leslie volunteered to help. What are your favorite seeds to plant?
Ooh, that's a hard one.
Good morning, Mr. Ritz.
Why, hello there, Leslie.
What are you doing today?
I'm planting seeds for my tower garden.
Ooh, can I help?
Sure thing, Leslie. I'm finishing up one tray, and I would love your help on the second one.
What do we need to do?
I'll show you, but before we start the next tray, I just need to give these seeds some water.
Ooh, shiny.
Oops! I didn't mean to use this can.
Wow, who are you?
I'm Katie, the Tower Garden Princess. A dear friend of Mr. Ritz and Green Bronx Machine. I can answer any Tower Garden question. And who might you be?
I'm Leslie the Ladybug. It's a pleasure to meet you, Your Royal Highness.
And what's happening there, Leslie the Ladybug?
Mr. Ritz is planting seeds.
And Leslie volunteered to help.
It's always nice to have helpers, isn't it?
Ah, yes, many hands make quick work, especially when planting seeds. Do you ever get questions about planting seeds, Princess?
Oh, I get questions about planting seeds all the time.
While you're here, can Leslie and I ask you some questions?
Of course.
What is your favorite tip to new tower gardeners for planting seeds?
That's a great question. The best tip is this: soak your Rockwool. Rockwool is super absorbent, and if you don't soak it completely from the start, your plant babies might struggle.
What is Rockwool?
Big word alert!
Rockwool. Rockwool is a growing medium made from thin strands of rock fiber.
Ha! You're standing on it, Leslie.
Oh, you mean this hard sponge-like thing? It's kind of itchy, too.
Yes, it can be itchy. Folks with sensitive skin might like to use gloves when handling the Rockwool.
Can you show us how to get started?
Of course. In my home, I have a pitcher that I fill up with water from the tap.
Oh my, Princess, what a nice kitchen you have in the Tower Garden Castle.
Why, thank you. Remember, the Rockwool is really absorbent.
Big word alert!
Absorbent.
That means it will soak up the water like a sponge and hold on to it. Now, I'm going to let the Rockwool bathe in the water for about 30 minutes. But you know what? I'm going to leave a little bit of water at the bottom, about a 1/4 inch.
A 1/4 inch? Why would you leave a 1/4 inch?
So there's always some extra water in case the seeds get thirsty.
Okay, let's give ours a good soak, Mr. Ritz.
All right, my watering can is empty now, but I have a sink in my classroom, so I can simply walk the tray over here and fill it up, just like parents and teachers. How long did you say we should let this soak, Princess?
Let it soak for 30 minutes. And then pour off the excess water.
Wow, both your way and my way accomplish the same goals. We can start seeds anywhere. It's good to know there's more than one way to do something.
But how do we know which way is better?
Maybe we can do an experiment later, but for now, let's plant those seeds.
Tower Garden Princess, how many seeds do I put in each hole?
Great question, Leslie. It depends what you're planting. Always follow the instructions on your seed packet. But typically, 2 to 3 seeds per hole is a good rule of thumb.
Here you go, Leslie. Would you like to start?
Yeah, thanks, Mr. Ritz.
I have another question for you, Princess. What are your favorite seeds to plant?
Ooh, that's a hard one. I can't choose between, dill, arugula, or pumpkins.
Pumpkins? I didn't know you could grow pumpkins in a tower garden.
You sure can.
That sounds like advanced tower gardening. What are the easiest seeds for a beginner?
Lettuce or microgreens. The spicy baby green mix that comes with the home tower is my top favorite. It's got a good mix of kohlrabi, broccoli, arugula, and mustard. It's
Yes, microgreens are packed with nutrients. I love putting microgreens on pizza. In fact, my research indicates that students who grow microgreens and put them on their pizza eat more pizza.
ooh, delicious. Are you almost done there, Leslie?
Yeah, all the little guys are tucked in.
Another good tip is to place your starters in a warm, sunny spot. Don't forget to check them daily. Those little dudes are thirsty.
I also like to place a wet paper towel on top of the seeds and let the water drip down. This way, it keeps the water from evaporating. Big word alert!
Evaporation. Evaporation is the process by which water turns into water vapor.
Any other tips, Princess?
Yes, I have one more tip, and then I need to get back to my royal tower garden duties.
Okay.
Your seedlings will benefit from a little bit of water with added nutrients. The same nutrients you add to your tower garden.
Oh.
I call it magic tonic because it's almost like magic how it helps those little seedlings grow.
Everyone needs a good start in life with healthy food and good nutrition.
That's right.
Thank you for answering more of our tower garden questions today, Tower Garden Princess.
You're very welcome. Don't forget, I'm always available to answer your questions. Just give the golden watering can a little pour. And it was lovely to meet you, Leslie.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Tower Garden Princess. See you soon. Hey, Leslie. How cool was it to meet the Tower Garden Princess? She really does know the answer to every single Tower Garden question. I'll see you next time, students. So long.
Subscribe today to Green Bronx Machine Kids on YouTube. See you soon. To bring the magic of the Green Bronx Machine classroom curriculum and tower gardens to your school, home, or community setting, go to our website today.